Okay. So contestant number 6, Kajal Kumari, made in Bihar. Terms and conditions apply. Made in Bihar. Terms and conditions apply. Kajal Kumari.
Let me ask you a simple question. When you think of Bihar, who is the first person that comes to your mind?
Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Yes, most of you will say that same. And who is the second person that comes to your mind?
Kajal Kumari.
Right. Well, obviously me. Good morning, contest chair, Toastmaster, and dear guest. You know, being from Bihar is a very special feeling because the moment you say I am from Bihar, people immediately would expect two things from you. Either you are going to start your speech with Kahal Bahu Babua, how are you? Or you are going to share some unbelievable story about Bihar that no one else can think. Well, today I promise I'll do both. You know for what Bihar is famous for? Litti Chokha, Thekwa,
Theft.
University,
Thefts.
and UPSC. In Bihar, UPSC is not just a career, it's a family tradition. In my house itself, my father's first plan for me after finishing my school, obviously UPSC. But I wanted to challenge this tradition. I told my father, Papa, I want to do CA, then UPSC. He did not argue. He looked at me and said, okay, silent but deadly Bihari approval. Now I have completed my CA, my father do not ask me directly. Instead, he says, you know my friend Uday, he has cleared his UPSC exams. What he meant is that, beta tum bhi ready ho jao. Now it's your time to get ready. So in Bihar, IAS is not just an exam. It's a life sport. Even if you become a doctor, engineer or CA, your family will give you subtle reminders always that IAS is the ultimate badge of honor. You know, like people often ask me about my blood groups. Like, what is my blood group? A positive? No. B positive? No way. AB positive? Neither. It's LC positive. Litti Chokha positive. So, practically, I don't just eat litti, but I run on it like a Wi-Fi runs on data. Now, people got shocked when Patna got a metro plant. Or thought, oh, Patna has a metro. And trust me, like, when we get metro, we will not sit quietly in metro like Delhi. We will discuss politics, make friendship, and maybe even find bride and groom in metro coach. And it is going to our Bihar's personal Tinder. And any of you are still unmarried, come to Bihar and travel in metro. Now, network in Bihar has its own mood swings. I go outside to take a call, and the caller says, I am at a rally. Give me your phone first, then I'll talk. And no matter how weak the signal is, the results of UPSC travel faster than light. Now, let me ask another question. Have you ever attended a wedding in Bihar?
Yes.
If you have, you will know that it's not just a wedding. It's a Kumbh Mela. So, 3 years ago, my brother got married in Bihar, and in the reception ceremony of my brother, I found something very funny. Usually, people go to the wedding to bless the couple, but in Bihar, people come to bless the plate. The moment food counters open, people holding the plates like athletes and holding it with a perfect balance. Scanning every dish is like a competition. One auntie came to me and said, Beta, don't be shy, take some more. I smiled and thought, Auntie, this plate is already doing MBA in crowd management. Please excuse me for my hand painting skills. Now, I cannot talk about Chhath Puja. I cannot talk about Bihar without talking about Chhath Puja. For us, Chhath Puja is not just a festival. It's an emotion where we worship the rising sun as well as setting sun. It's our way of saying that we welcome the not just the beginning but journey also. So there comes another question. So anyone know what is the brand ambassador of Chhath Puja? Thekua, of course. Thekua. So whenever I come to Kolkata after visiting home during Chhath Puja, my roommates and friends do not ask me, how was the puja? How is my health? They say, where is my thekua? And I am not allowed into the room if I do not brought the thekua with me. So my dear Toastmaster, Bihar, just like me, is often talked about for its struggle. But I want you all to remember for its strength. The land of resilience, culture and knowledge. Being from Bihar is like being with extra dose of confidence, chaos and charisma. We can survive poor networks, bad roads and even 5,000 guests in one wedding. So next time, if life throws challenges at you, face it like a Bihari. Smile and fight back. And remember, there is no problem in this world that Litti Chokha and Thekua can't solve. Contest here.